In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign into your Microsoft Outlook account on a Mac at my 2025 guide. If you're setting up Outlook for the first time or simply adding another mailbox, follow along and we'll get you signed in quickly and confidently. Start by opening Microsoft Outlook on your Mac. Make sure you're connected to the internet and have your sign-in details handy. If your account uses verification codes, keep your trusted device nearby so you can complete the sign-in without delays. With Outlook open, look up to the top of your screen at the macOS menu bar. Click Outlook in the top left, then choose Settings. This opens the main preferences window where all of your app options live. From here, select Accounts. The Accounts area is where you manage everything related to your mailboxes, including adding new ones or adjusting existing settings. Next, click Add Email Account. A sign-in window will appear. Type your email address carefully, watching out for typos, then click Continue. Outlook will recognize the domain and route you to the correct sign-in experience. When prompted, enter your password. If your organization or email provider requires two-factor authentication, you'll see a verification step now. Enter the code you received through your usual method. This code helps keep your account secure and is a normal part of modern sign-in flows. After you've verified, click Done. Outlook will begin syncing your mailbox automatically. The first sync can take a few minutes, especially if you have a lot of mail or a slower connection, so give it a moment. You'll see messages and folders populate as the sync progresses, and your calendar and contacts will follow shortly. A couple of quick tips while you wait. If you see an error, double check your email address and password and make sure caps lock isn't on. If your company uses a branded sign-in page, just continue with your usual credentials. That's still Outlook handling your account behind the scenes. And if you're adding multiple accounts, you can repeat these same steps for each one from the accounts area. Once your inbox finishes syncing, you're ready to go. New emails will appear automatically, and sending, receiving, and calendar updates will work without any extra setup. That's all it takes. Thanks for watching. If this helped you sign in faster on your Mac, feel free to replay any section if you want to review the clicks. Enjoy your streamlined Outlook experience, and I'll see you in the next guide.